y'all, I have a secret to share with you. Brace yourself. So, we're in the kitchen. Over that way is my office. We haven't been in there in quite a while, and there's a reason for that. Hold, please. This is the state of things. It is embarrassing that I have let it go this far, but we are correcting the situation today, and I'm going to regain the use of my office. Clearly, I don't use the computery side of things currently because I can't use it. But I can't function like this anymore. So we are going to come in here today and get all of this nice and cleaned up. There's literally somewhat of a walkway to be able to access these shelves, which are still pretty organized. They're not too bad. But this has got to change. Send help. So in this office, there's just a mixture of literally everything. A ton of DIY stuff down below, a ton of DIY stuff currently on top. All of my small appliances are on those shelves over there off to the right. And then there are boxes and bins and organizers behind me of all of our important papers that I keep organized in a cube organizer back off screen. So it took me a couple of days to get this completed, not gonna lie, and you will see an outfit change here soon because I was waiting on some stuff to come in to help organize the rest of this office. But I was really honestly so overwhelmed even getting started in here just because I wasn't even sure where to begin. I'm so happy that this is done though, because it is just a huge relief. So I have to say my biggest tip for organizing a large and very cluttered space like this is to just start at one end and start making piles of like items. So I knew that everything on the top of this desk, or at least majority of it, was going to be decor, and I wanted to separate it by season if it was a seasonal item, and then I also wanted to separate by materials, tools, paint, things like that.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the mat? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all I can, we can spend the firewood till it's end. Nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got a fire in a tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight.
So I found all of this office decor at Target, and I was really trying to configure something that lifted my laptop up and made it a little bit more level with the top of the screen of my monitor. And I had those two paper trays stacked one on top of each other, like I'm putting it back now, as my original design, and I didn't think that it looked nice because it's literally two paper trays stacked on top of each other with a piece of foam board supporting the underside of it. Whatever. You know what? It worked. It actually worked better, and I liked it a lot more than this setup. So I will be returning this box, and I will be keeping the two paper trays because I like the way that it worked better, and I liked the positioning of where it was beforehand. So I did move it back.
Until something better came along. We say we love, we until something better came along.
I want to thank you guys so much for joining me here today. It was definitely a long process getting this desk back in order again. And I have to say, I feel so much more, I don't know, I guess relieved that it's all nice and clean and organized again, and that I finally have a desk space to work at again, now that I'm a little bit more consistent at work and at home, and I have a little bit more of a stabilized schedule. So I have to say this has definitely improved my productivity, and it's just given me a great mindset to work in. I have to say it has made all the difference. Thank you guys so much for joining me here today and for watching my videos. Like I've said before, we are well on our way to making our goal of 100 subscribers within my first year of YouTube. We are quickly coming up on that deadline at the end of April, but I'm not going to give up. You know, we have lots and lots of dreams and aspirations to reach, and I hope that my channel grows, and I hope that you grow with me. Thanks so much again for watching my videos and subscribing and commenting and liking, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.